welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I am giving you guys a room tour because as opposed to just having a itty bitty room that I can just turn around 360 and be like, woo, there's my room, I actually have gotten my room fully remodeled, and I've also taken over my sister's old room, so now I've got 2 rooms, so there's a lot more to show you. So yeah, let's get right to it.
Okay, so this is the entryway. We close it off. This is like a little door hanger I made in preschool. So then when you open the doors, there's Lily. I do want to do something in this area, maybe like a little like table for my keys or something, or like something. I don't know. Something's gonna go here. This is the attic. Anyways, this is my bedroom area to the left. It's kind of simple. This was my original bedroom, if it would focus. This is my bed with Nako Sensei. That pillow is a Beauty and the Beast pillow that I got from ThinkGeek. And then I just have my nightstand with a couple, with the current like book I'm reading, my journal, meditation book that I have. I've just got more notebooks and random things, mostly notebooks, my iPad, other books in there. These are just decorated dance shoes. Lily's toy basket. She's like, who are you talking to? Yes, these are mine. That's her scratching post. This is my makeup bin. And my makeup vanity, which has an amazing mirror. Hello, hi, how are you? I've got 3 little plants from IKEA. They are fake because otherwise Lily would try and eat them. So right now I just have fake plants. These guys don't have names yet. We're working on it. I've got a shisho from Panama. Eiffel Tower from the Eiffel Tower. I don't know where I got this little ballerina dude. This is my paper plate award for musical theater class, and just some lipsticks, random stuff. Got a whole drawer full of makeup and my Strasburger. Lily thinks she's gonna get a treat if I open that drawer. For some reason, I have nail polish and sunscreen, accessories, hair stuff. This is just random shit, Lily's treats, CDs, extra diffuser. This is Lily's food and water, in case you're wondering. This drawer doesn't have much in it. I think it just has a big palette in it, and a cat ears, a fan, box cutter. This was my old dresser. Now I just use it for storing stuff. Like this one is like a crafting drawer. It's got a whole bunch of washi tape and stuff in it. This one has a bunch of binders, and again, more notebooks. I'm kind of obsessed. And my key tape for when I inevitably get injured. This drawer is more random stuff. This is like my old phone that doesn't even have battery anymore, my old Bella Sarah cards, folders, binders full of stuff, extra phone cases. Let's see what's in here. I don't even know half the time. My card collection, my Bibles, water filters, some old pictures that I used to have around my room, Zach's Nintendo. I think this is drawing stuff. Yep, that's drawing stuff and coloring stuff. And last but not least, this is my collection of seashells in this box here. Another drawing book. Some random posters, some more notebooks. Look, I have so many notebooks. Then of course, Evie, Taco, and Nika. That one's Taco. That one's Nika, in case you're wondering. Just a few little things. Then one of my favorite parts. This is my new closet. Wow, it's so big. So yeah, we've got some posters up here. I've got Yuri on Ice, Supernatural with my Pride necklaces, graduation tassel, and Blue Exorcist. I've got some extra blankets and pillows up here. These are my birthday cards, and that's not a birthday card, that's a thank you card for a baby shower. I've got all my perfumes. This is my little manta ray statue from when I visited Abigail. I've got random ballerina dolls and music boxes. One of those Russian tourney dolls that is actually from Russia, from when my aunt and uncle went. Some little point shoes, my clock, my little sea turtle collections. I keep all my clothes in here. You don't really need to see that. Laundry basket, bucket of dance clothes, purse. Oh yeah, I also have it was like they taught you how to paint night. We did it in October. It was like a double date thing Lindsay and I did with our boyfriends. So yeah, I've got that. Got my Captain America splatter paint shield. And I've got this little thing I got in London. It says, be fearless in the pursuit of what sets your soul on fire. So on the right side, we have my office living room type area. This is just my yoga mat, my foam roller. I need to use it more often, but that's right there. DVD player. This, I just kind of keep all my DVDs in here. Got some more drawing stuff, cleaning supplies. Not really too much going on in here. I've got some books. This is my little Minecraft llama. All my random books, a little birdhouse that I need to paint, my point shoe from Paris from Kiana, more seashells from Panama. Then over here I just have my world cork board. Got some pictures over here, Panama, my name in kanji, my little babies, who aren't babies anymore, Panama, nutcracker picture, little quotes, autographs, Panama, autograph. Not much going on up here. I've got some candles. This one's almost finished. My water bottle, lots of pens and pencils, and my gaming computer that is struggling to stay in the correct position of being charged. The scissors are helping, so is all the tape. That is my regular computer. I've got more books up here. I'm sure you can hear all of that background noise. The shelf isn't very full yet. Yeah, and this drawer, let's see, this is just office supplies, a vlog camera. I think this is like, yep, more office supplies and crafting stuff, Polaroid camera. This is my snack drawer. And also my TV remotes. Yeah, I have a TV now. Woo, it's so small and so high up. Don't think there's much in this drawer. I think it's just paper and a couple notebooks. Yay! This is where I keep important files. This doesn't have anything in it, I don't think. This is all my cords and computer stuff. My drawers are very picky. This, hello again, is my jewelry thing, chest. It's got all my earrings, necklaces, bracelets, everything, rings. This is my little side table that I was going to decorate for Lily, but it has kind of turned into my video corner. You can see I set up a couple books over here. I've got Cherry up here. This is the pillow I sit on when I'm filming because the floor is hard. This is outside. Wow, it doesn't focus. Why is this always not focused? This is Lily's bed that she hates for some reason. She doesn't go in it. Also one of her litter boxes. Ooh, look, my tripod. Scratching post. This is my picture wall. Not much explaining to you there. They're just a bunch of pictures. Places I've been, dancers, me, my friends, anime. So yeah, that's basically my room, and I don't know, I just figured since it was like actually like 2 areas now instead of just a tiny little room, it would be worth showing, especially since it was like a huge remodel thing that got done. So yeah, I will see you guys next week. Bye!